Hello everyone, my name is Alexey, and basically earlier styling of a scrollbar in browsers was a real pain. Different browsers has different properties with different behavior, etc. But now game was changed. Browsers added and aligned specific properties according to web standards, and with modern CSS you can style your scroll bar and make your web apps and websites more beautiful and align scroll bar to the design system of your company or project. In this video I am going to tell you about new scrollbar properties, so please like and let's move to the practice. And I want to mention that I will show you scrollbar behavior in Chrome and Safari. So let's start. Okay, now we have native scrollbar as you can see, and let's design our own scrollbar. And for design scrollbar we need to write an HTML, so we will apply our styles to HTML because our scroll appears on HTML tag. So HTML and we have pseudo class WebKit scrollbar. So WebKit scrollbar. So this class is for browsers with WebKit, so it's Safari and Chrome-based browsers. So for Firefox, styles will be different, but today we are going to style scrollbar for Chrome and Safari. So HTML WebKit scrollbar, and here we need to set our width. So width can be, for example, 5 of viewport. Cool. And as we can see, our scrollbar has disappeared. And why? So if we are starting to apply styles to our scrollbar, we need to construct our scrollbar from the start. So we need to add styles for scrollbar sum, like track, line, etc. So if you are starting to apply styles to your scrollbar, you need to apply styles to all the elements of scrollbar. And let's continue. Okay, let's continue styling our scrollbar, and the next thing that we need to style is thumb. Thumb will be a rectangle dragging on which you will scroll your page. So let's write HTML pseudo class WebKit scrollbar thumb, so not track, thumb. And for now it will have background color, for example blue. Blue rectangle has appeared, and as we can see, it's our thumb of the scrollbar, so we can drag it and our page scrolling, and it's pretty good. The next thing that we need to style is a track. So now it's a white line right on the page, and let's style it, and we can style it using HTML also pseudo class WebKit scrollbar track, and it could be a background color, for example aqua for now. And as we can see, we brushed our scrollbar track into aqua color, so, and it's pretty amazing. So we styled our own scrollbar. And you may ask me, okay Alexey, we styled our scrollbar and it's pretty ugly, and how I can use it and how to manage it, and also please tell us some cool features. Okay, and let's move to the real life, and I will show you how you can style a beautiful scrollbar according to your website design. Okay, let's look on the real example how we can improve our website using custom scrollbar and make it more attractive. And for example, we have a website for now, and it's pretty okay. And we want to have dark theme. Let's do it. So we can write body. Here we can write background color, and it could be hashtag 333, and color will be hashtag 3C letters. And as we can see, we have our website in dark theme. But scrollbar is not okay because it overlaps text, and as we can see, it's not convenient to use it, and we can add more attractive and followed by design scrollbar. So firstly, we need to set the width for our scrollbar, and for example it will be 4 or 3 viewports, and yes, it's pretty okay for our scrollbar, I think. And the next thing we can do is our thumb. So we can style our thumb, and for example it will have initially 777 and 5 colors. So 5 will be responsible for opacity. What we are going to do, we are going to create our scrollbar and then add effects on hover, so it will attract users' attention. Firstly, we need to create thumb with opacity, and also we need to add drag with opacity. So it will be hashtag 555 and also 5 as opacity. And yes, now we have well-designed scrollbar, which looks pretty well in combining with our website structure and text and background, and it's much more better than native. Also, let's add some effects. And so we applied here pseudo class scrollbar thumb, and we also can apply hover to it. So for example, for our hover effect, we will have not color with opacity, we will just remove this opacity. And the same we will do for our drag. So we need to copy it and then apply some hover effect. Cool. And let's remove the opacity. Cool. And let's test our solution. As we can see, if we will hover over our thumb and drag, color will be changed, and user's focus will be moved to the scrollbar. So this scrollbar is more attractive, is more suitable for our website, and it's more suitable with our design system. And also you can do the same scrollbars for example, some fields in your website, for example, some window with chat or something like that, and it will work. So how you can design your own scrollbar and use these amazing pseudo classes as properties. And a couple of words about other browsers. So as I mentioned, it will work in Chrome, so our solution will work in Chrome and also in Safari. So yes, this scrollbar a bit thick, but you can style as you want, so it will work in Safari also. And for Firefox, you will have another solution. So you need to use, instead of WebKit scrollbar thumb, drag, and just scrollbar for setting width, you need to use scrollbar color, scrollbar width, and it will be working inside Safari. As you can see, it's not gonna work in my Chrome because it's Chrome, it's not a Mozilla, but it will work, so you can use scrollbar color and scrollbar width. As you can see, you can add styles for the scrollbar to all your classes, to all your elements, so not for main scrollbar, and it's also pretty good opportunity. But for Safari and Chrome, you can use these pseudo classes, starting with WebKit and then scrollbar. Okay, in this video we'll look at how we can style the scrollbar and make our website or web application a little more unique, make the interaction with your website a little better. We also look at live example how a custom scrollbar can transform our website and make it a little fresher. Moreover, we look at how our solution works in Safari and what classes we should add to Firefox. Cool! That's it. Please like, subscribe, stay tuned, please check the description and follow my Telegram channel. Bye!